of the very interesting use cases of ChatGPT is solving math problem, and recently it has been reported that ChatGPT 3 and ChatGPT 4 has been getting good scores on math tests. So let's see how can we solve some math problems using ChatGPT. I want to make a caveat and make sure that you understand that for the demo purposes I'm using ChatGPT 3.5, but GPT-4, which is the current version of GPT, is far more powerful and it can solve a lot variety of math problems more accurately than what GPT 3.5 can do. So solving math could be an important exercise for students who are in high school or also in the colleges and so forth. Now this could act as a tutor and help you in solving a math problem, and more importantly it can also provide you a step-by-step instruction of what it is doing, and that can also help a learner to learn what are the stepwise instruction that one should be doing to solve a mathematical problem. So let's see a couple of demos how we can use ChatGPT to solve math problems. So here is a prompt that I'm giving. I'm asking it to solve a geometric progression problem. So I'm giving the common ratio and I'm giving the turn number, and I'm asking it to basically solve this problem. Okay. So one of the things is it does solve the problem obviously, but it also gives you line by line explanation of what is the step it is carrying out and why it's carrying out that step and how it is solving the problem. And this could also be useful to a lot of learners. So, what are the main steps that are used to solve a given problem? This explainability aspect is also very, very useful in ChatGPT, where it's also explaining the things that it's carrying out, right? So again, it has solved this problem, and I think I took this problem from, this website where there are a lot of mathematical problems that are out there. So, okay, and we can pick any problem we want to, right? So we can pick irrational equalities problem that is out there, and we can see whether it is right or not. So let me take another example problem, and I want to solve this problem where I want to find the range of x if this inequality is satisfied. So I'm basically giving this problem in a natural language form, and let's try to solve this. Let's go here. Okay, and there is a caveat. Sometimes there is a caveat in the explanation. So I'm asking this ChatGPT to solve this problem, right? Now, when we gave that as a sequence problem, it solved it. But let's see whether we have more complex problems like inequality and finding the ranges or something like that. So it gives us the answer that the range is x is less than equal to 7. Let's check whether that answer is correct or not. Okay, if I do, the answer is, okay, so let's see the solution. Okay, so the answer is the range is between 5/2 to 7. Okay, so the answer that has been provided by ChatGPT in this context is not right. So for this inequality solution, it says basically the answer provided with this is -∞ to 7, where the answer is basically -5. The real answer or the right answer is basically 5/2 to 7, right? So the answer provided by ChatGPT is not right in this setting, right? So even though this has ability to solve mathematical problems, I would suggest that use the solutions in a cautious way. And one thing that I want to specifically point out that at least for this application or for this demo, what we are doing is we are solving problems using ChatGPT 3.5, which is like an old version of GPT. Recently they have released GPT-4, which is more advanced version of GPT, and it has really good capabilities even with respect to solving math problems. In fact, I'm not running the demo. I solved the same set of problems with ChatGPT-4, and it was able to solve that problem correctly. Okay, so again, when you're using it for solving math problem, it does have ability to solve simple and common math problem, and it has done really well in some of the math tests. But the overall results, you have to take it with a pinch of salt, and you have to be cautious on how you're using ChatGPT for solving math problems and so on. But having said that, I also want to mention that ChatGPT 4 has advanced functionality with respect to solving math problems, and it can solve a lot more problems correctly than what is possible in GPT 3.5 version that is out there. Okay.